that. Black when, black how. I was black then and I'm black now.
Dumalang Sanvanani and greetings to all spiritual G's. Thanks so much for tuning in. This was one of our random ones, fixing cars and all of that with Mkhulu Mlaba. We're talking about white flight. That's where the conversation started. So if you do have time, just indulge in this and see if you resonate with any of the concepts spoken here. Enjoy.
Because now there's too many black people there, too many black children. Yeah, no. Yeah. Ngathi angazi psychologically, do you think ukuthi make nabelungu abaningi then there's better quality? I can understand, you know, because funny enough, these kids, these palm colored kids, bona bafuna ukwenza izinto zabo dark, you know, how shaba like these school but dibitwang not the hacker these chants that they do say bayetsa in a black way we understand so when as udaki
abelungu abantu amnyama futhi babelungu
understand so it like feel like life enjoy
they wish to be black
understand
my blacks they hate to be black and imagine hate my blacks is slave umuntu amnyama bonke wonke umuntu omnyama ubona nesibhamu saying is palm with a white man in his mind. Wow.
No, ebele khehla.
Unegane ecaba umuntu omnyama uthi mazingafela ipari ngizidubula.
Vele.
Awujoyela kabi.
Ngibone enye post izolo, ayizothanga. Bathi so there's a PI group ne I think they're based in Pretoria. Barke 10 PI or something. So boma missing children, boma crimes what because ePitori amakhuri wangeni umakaswabo.
Okay.
So Mami Lodi bengithi it's outreach phela but bathiko Mami Lodi as well. Then there's another crazy place lapha and I think just outside Soshanguve, I forgot by Bizan. Like akungena ama truck futhi lapha na ama truck wesinkwa nawo wangena. So if uthola parcel you need to go fetch it go police station go outreach. But bathi nase Mami Lodi kunjalo. I mean I was not aware.
Why?
Because they robbed the delivery trucks, the delivery vans.
Okay.
So kule post lena ishare yile PI group ke. Le PI group ithi ibonisa enye ibhari lele phansi so lele phansi face down like this by dubulile. Caption say something like he tried robbing us but boma bengphethe into kind of thing, then bamdubula he died. So for me my comment is on that post main comment angithi yo hey, the system will have us killing each other because obviously na law beka ready ukubulala laba ngithi le moto so nalabo beboto nabo they are prepared to kill. So I think bele sibheke ngelisho lokuthi like labona the design of this entire thing. Hey,
it's like mangabe
and you're not even conscious who you're acting upon the system. For Udaki, like if there was something called sin, Kesha, if Tina Sabotaki, there's nesono. Bekmele I batini analyzing a black person that needed to be the sin. So manje Kesha splomile singabloma manje. Singabloma manje ngafika blome kuphuza ibhiya oyiwana khata khavela ya omong sababatla unsetsa di like it's that easy like with blackness. So what is this thing ubutho njani basithakathe ngani ngaka
nasabuyi ne
and which is again le ngitshela ukuthi benginama gents sikhuluma kerko bona but just for convo because yeah sometimes bele
kopo
bano
faka neutral up.
So this thing li magents kere fake neutral
ungaphumi uzobuya ifaka igiyeni futhi undisa la qala.
Hi baby, okay? Sharp. So lento le amagents yokuthi bathini we need to ask Horman lezi zinto that we deem as tradition and culture sizithatha happy because we understood ukuthi life was sacred, right?
Even igiyeni ke
faka giyepa no bathi ungaphumi ungaphumi sifuna ukuyifasa aqala iqede lento lena. So lama bathi we respected blood to the way all the way to animals, right? Ukuthi isilwane sabantu asifi for no reason.
No.
Understand? So when sharp ilwane I think sesidle inyama so much that maybe i-DNA yakhona seyilakithi asasihloniphi ilwane, right?
Siyilwane nathi.
So now to a point where igazi lomuntu awuhloniphi, like it's easy for you njengoba usho ukuthi mina when I'm thinking I wanna own a gun, I'm thinking I need to protect myself from
From a black man.
Yeah,
Wonke
like
umuntu
you
othi
can
isibhamu.
break her in ke hloka spam. Batlong hijacker ke hloka spam for mang for taki.
And so sonke isibhamu esikhonsenza umuntu omnyama.
Exactly. Njengoba usho ke.
Ubheke la eSouth Africa, khona military state angithi. La police state or security state or military state. La eSouth Africa kunama security companies are more than 10,000.
Then
Ama
there's
security companies.
then there's the but kiri security company it's on about combat mode. But le government ithi ifuna ukwabhena lawo
Security company.
yes. But the ilento lekhe uthanda ukuthi ngithanda ukuyibheka nami when I'm going maybe ngiyothenga ama groceries so like ngifeel offended mengiseshwa ne. So for me it's li protector the SSR mahoa by putting Taki down basically.
Down.
Yeah, because that's a shop bebakulandela ngisibala ulandela ukuthi
Ungajongi.
yeah,
Ungathathi
yeah.
into yomlungu.
I'm not sure ukuthi wena umuntu otshontshayo or not mara ngizokulandela.
Ukuthi umuntu omnyama.
Exactly.
Umuntu omnyama is always suspect. Ama security kusho ukuthi mahamba estradini njengoba ngithi ama security more than 10,000 more than 100,000 different companies ama security. And onke atarget umuntu one. Umuntu omnyama.
No 100%.
Mawubona yini ADT imela ucanga ukuthi email umlungu.
Never.
Mawubona iChap imelapha icanga umlungu irikuru China. Mawubona isizwe security company or whatever maningi wabala onke ama security company njengoba ngithi 100,000 onke.
Even during BE ba even if umlungu phezulu batlo ifan libito labo Taki.
Ngithola.
For the tender.
And onke ama security noma uhamba estradini this is how dangerous this thing is. Subliminally they send the message.
Subliminally.
Mohamba estradini now we are subconsciously security job emelapha limele umuntu omnyama. Maybe me or someone else. And so wonke umuntu onyama kuhamba estradini uyazi ukuthi ubona ama security left and right and subconsciously even though you are not aware mara subconscious mind yakhe ukuthi la security alinde umuntu omnyama.
No, serious.
And so that means kunama policing na metropolis nama department angaza engakhe and uyazi na ukuthi alinde umuntu omnyama la metropolis. Kunama phoyisa boma khona manje nepanyaza engenile. Ibamba abantu ibuza amapasi abathi abantu bambe abantu.
Ngiyakhumbula lo bakuthathele izolo.
Uyathatha insanyama ngisacabana applying. Uthi uyahlukana insanyama.
Ngeke uzokuba phela yami joy.
Ukhulumeza upanyaza uhlumeza mina ngisaphe insanyama. Uyiphoyisa yena uyeka konke mfethu. Uyewe John Sterk nenkunzi heavy. Abantu amnyama babamba abantu amnyama inkunzi. Ngeke bayipanyaza lapha John Sterk. Lawenza manje ngifuna ukuthi nopanyaza uEdamo kuzongena enye security company enye department ye policing eku government na i-target umuntu omnyama. Ama SAPS kune intelligence i-target umuntu omnyama.
Obviously.
And so umuntu omnyama la eSouth Africa makahamba ungizwe danger yalento ku. Uyazi ukuthi kunebhame ezimkhombile subconscious like aware. And so noma kuma endabeni bathi siphasa umthetho ukuthi umuntu omnyama abhadale i-tax ake kuconga ukuphakama ngoba subconscious la kunebhame ezibhekile. Ingqondo yakho sibayi conditioning ukuthi wena must know ukuthi there are cops everywhere looking after you, looking at you with unyakazi. And so
and then they use the very same people but will use Taki to either be the ones that are gonna protect the assets of the master using Taki at any cost, whether life at any cost.
You must protect.
Yeah, the assets that got this step and total master let's come with this step guys.
And so thina ke noma phuma imithetho enjani yabo like for example ngesikhathi apartheid babenya bashaye uNderstatani eFitzburg is true. uNderstatani wadutshulwa eFitzburg. uNderstatani kwakuyibhari community builder. Le bhari mathola istory sayo ibhari yayifundisa intwana ekasi maths and science ama after school njengami kanje so ceca intwana iyodutshwa isihlama sephoyisa esingasizinemeze lesi sihlama samdubula mfethu isihlama le bhari liyana idevelopile okuhle mfethu
uthunyelwe uyathunyelwa
uNderstatani kwakutotela for first service delivery eFitzburg.
Okay,
manje angazi lezi zafike zaphusha abantu uNderstatani umuntu wazi ama rights akho wathi uyawuphusha so wena awusiphusha so wena silela ama rights ethu yepha zamdubula kusho ukuthi camera sibheke TV sa witness South Africa yonke ya witness ukubula understand ne kusase kuseni kwavuka kwaba business as usual abantu baye emsebenzini
abanga
abantu baya kudutshe umuntu omnyama mfethu udutshulo lokulungela amalungu akhe abantu baye emsebenzini bayisenzela abelungu still phela thina isikhathi apartheid kuthiwa zikhwela mfethu kume yonke into akiba ndawo kusho izinto ukudutshulwa iwaningi ngitsho kanjani umuntu omnyama isibhamu isibhene naye ngakhona noma dutshulwa sisakhuluma sabuza sokunjalo sikwese isipanini yabo sithenga ama brand ama whisky kudutshulwa nithi izolo mfethu masiphuza ama whisky fana
right the economy must continue ngithi nale case leyo mntana lo bathi bamdlwengula ucwecwe kunezinye base commenters ithi
gopo
why
fakunyu try base commenters
zithi why le batla country is shut down it's not like this is the last child that will be done like this. And I'm like, because Abelungu only understand economy. That is why nale parile batu president yen your first like president nale parien. Paka kahle.
Akayibambi intwana.
Again. Ingeni?
Yeah, got it. Yeah, got it.
Hey, that's the only reason le parle bekufuna uqala ama negotiations nani because abelungu the only thing that they understand the economy collapsing. That's the only thing. That is the only reason. No to re declare ki waba nenhliziyo enhle he abantu abamnyama because nalesi speeches ka your other president athi bona bavuma sure ukuthi ngithona the sunset clause set alone ukuthi no let's get voting power but the economy still remains the same. Why? What is the point? So to show again ukuthi le green gold and it's in like party lane ukuthi it's been an agent from day one since captureiwe ukuthi ibe ukhongolose icaptureile bene mission ukuthi when they're not for abodaki because the mission was umhlaba. So many negotiator in kahle kahle. So that is the only thing when I catch la stay away. I feel those were things that were very impactful. Ngales khathi les
yezwa
say
manje ngifuna ukuthi njobo sasho ukuthi abantu umuntu athi lesikole sasi right sokucula ntamnyama nyamkhimntanami ngashayela ingihulumani yami around yini ngiyakhohlwa igama sababa lamsapha ngase Don Park not exactly Don Park but it's more into Albertine.
Oh, so they're even more up market because both Don Park nearly disababetha botaqala
Liana okay sasibanda phana ngilungisi iphula phana nobhuti kufika ibra yakhe la neighbor basically kuyaxoxa walixoxa ngingasebenza ngisengaso kuyaxoxa walixoxa uzwa lithi la kwaku grand safika hayi kusogcola bodaki la ne sogcola bodaki la nesebabs uzile musafushintshe sebab because ufuna bodaki.
Okay, understand.
Umuntu omnyama wazizonda ngakho no
white flight ikhona ke lasebujayivweni uthola abantu bathi hey no yazi Fourways market used to be so nice but then now there's so many black people. Oh, that's so ghetto. That time abantu want to take what they deem as ghetto sebafuna ukuyenza fashionable the other races mara to a point la niyazifostela even brand wear niyazifostela bantshelile abo Michael Kors ukuthi lezi zinto lezi asithi abodaki akani designela abodaki but because wena ufuna ugcwalisela thina utlo reka Italian wear utlo ugcwalisela rona uyawazi laba abahamba ama-round abahamba eJozi Thursday back in the day mengisajiva besinakuya e-Ozone efingelazi eSoweto se-Ozone siyazi ukuthi hayi babuye eroundini kuthengwa ama-Hennessy. Who makes that Hennessy as well? Thengwa ama-Hennessy bagcokile the-Italian wear abona and you like what a fucked up society. What a fucked up race actually. Like isono ngathi kahle
successful
uyangi understand lo bathu bani abo Sushi King abo Sushi King
Pari leyo. Pari. Mara ke ukuthi net nalayikas nekwachinja. Ikwakunihlevel leswithu ukuthi insizwe 94 yadoma abantu.
ne
Labo Scorpion phela Scorpion safika sabopha ama out clever phela thina besazi amasimaqinisweni thina icrime abini bababiza ngecrime thina besazi ukuthi it's a way of repossessing fighting against wives understand insima efika iphume kubalekeni kwayo beyidla kahle le exile ifitwa belungu mayibuya seyithi thina abantu bebalwa nabelungu strong ngoba the only way beyibamba belungu kuyicrime manje sokuntshintshula thina bese Joza kusangenini
ilento bengitshela ama-agents zona bengiblome nezinye umngani wami nomuntu wakhe so there's a point
neutral cop
la siblome kanjalo
yeah
ke ba jwetsa hore the reason why bari ha ya ko round bari ngibuya Jozi it's literally that we didn't besingalimazani thina zabotaki you know how ka thola well I'm lucky I have wena khehlo zongixoxela ngale ndaba lezi but mongathola like maybe people of your generation ubabotse hore okay how was the game then
fight yen
yeah
fight again go push nje one push ku1 ku reverse
ke reverse
I haven't got it.
Think big. Hey, but the reason
Hey.
Yeah. I haven't got it.
None. I got phone.
You keep it.
Hey, if I can. Sit down. Man, why is okay? What do you give? Okay, no, it's okay.
You keep it.
You get up again, yeah.
Hey, bonga limaza udaki. Bonga limaza udaki, bonga tshontshela udaki.
Hayi.
Ngoba ngithi system isithathele so ama-agents babayo repossess. Labantwana laba like these young thugs how about gwaza like how about Torapo they kill you now but back in the day maybe bazokuthi bangagwazi uscrape kancane
umuntu omnyama ongabhayizeli kube sikushisa
kahle
besishisa kini ukwazi umuntu omnyama bokushiswa kini
yo
naku so rap umuntu omnyama bokushiswa kini nihambe so khona lesibala so zashisa lokuthi ibharishi irap umntana esikole ibhari rape
yo
no awuthi ANC yafika senzani yona ke yathi ningazozilwela yazi kahle ukuthi ayisilwile phela ama rape agcwele ngeze isikhathi esizilwela irape engeke kazi no ANC yakulwele ngama rape kubopha abantu abangarapanga babophile rape ama rape abantu abarejiwa baboshwa abantu abarejiwa amampela baboshwa understand ngifuna ukuthi Tilebota like before NK 30 please before belungu ba winner ngokusicontrola ngeNC abescovered no zonke into masiganga sigange umuntu omnyama
that's why ngithi it was a mission vele ukhongolose wasn't for liberation of black people
ukhongolose wayezoqindezela wasiqedelela wasilevel finalize mafuna ukuthi Tilebota besizonda ngakhona Judo umuntu omnyama yazonda nje.
Why kangaka yini ngathi?
Bayuze iTV. Bayuze yonke into nhleke. Bheka like khona umunye intombazane benginayo ngixoxa na lebrem. Ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngiyamtshela ukuthi yamazi uBarbie doll. Athi yo usho fast akangizwa nyaka. Athi yo no bobo wami ngothanda kanjani? Mina isikole bangibuza ukuthi what do you wanna be when you grow up? Ngathi I wanna be a Barbie. Ngathi exactly into efuyisho nosongambele phambili
uyibhekile le documentary leyani ngithi uyibheke
i14
7 up 14 up uyibhekile ubonile lo mntana lo yana bathi ufuna ukuba yini mekakhula arinaki batloba leho
yeah Actually, that's how deep witchcraft is. But that time thina ke sinabantu umuntu that time njoba affect up ingqondo yakhe nichazwa akaboni ukuthi ne issue mail address nichazwa ukuthi makabhatala ibond yakhe wabhatala installment ubuhlaye nabo labantu lantu abahlali ukuthi impilo yakhe yonke yabo impilo yakhe makabhadala ibond ubhadala installment umuzaza hayi mina mabhadala ibond mfana okuyinzo kubona mfana
kuyashiwa kanjalo
uloyali kumajudi and that time oqala kwabonda ibhadala emajudini amajudi athengisa abhadala umuntu omnyama times 3 umuntu omnyama yonke into ayithenga nge-installment amabhenki amshaja times 3 ngisho ukuthi maboni ineba yakho umlungu nomuntu omnyama same house yalingana anibhadala ngokufana ngithola kanjani
even nase-workforce boss akubhadalwa
akholo ngokufana and so yena ulwela nje net ukuthi akaboni ukuthi kumele ku-addresse le problem yokuthi abhadale 3 times uhappy ukubhadala 3 times instead uzokwata
le ndaba evuswa umlungu khana bayithatha serious
nakho abayithatha serious bayasayibheka sincane instead uzokwata ama-community akho
but I'm saying if beyikhulunywe uwe Khehla uyikhulumile indaba ye-black taxi nobody said anything about it but because an old white man is speaking that's why some of my posts nginokuthi yeah maybe if a white person says it nizoyizwa you know
muthi umuntu omnyama ayizwakali and then labantu laba lo muntu lo yena makabezilonga abeloyal kumlungu wabhadala isipomeni somlungu ukrent enjoy yena abhadala umlungu ngene akafuni ukho umuntu omnyama ohlala opposite yakho next door ufuna ukubuye ubhadala le time le trust the amount bomela ibhadala ayi-1 wow and umuntu omnyama noma bangathi ubhadala times 10 compared to a white man as long as by next omlungu uzosebenza yena futhi ajuluka senza ama-overtime for ukuthi for basicuka umlungu and so lilonke ke ne la bantu sibabona ngathi bantu ba-successful abalema-upmarket sababa yidumbu uyidumbu jo abana peace labantu abaphumuli usebenza day and night usebenza imisebenzi eyi-3 nenye into ngapha urobha ngapha for ukubhadala le mali ayibhadale arojwe ngayo akaboni isidingo sokuthi lesi-address le problem yokuthi thina sibhadala imali times 3 akayiboni kumele i-address leyo yinto afunayo ufuna ukuthi abhande strong so azozobhadala labana yini abayisho abantu ukuthi abantu they don't care about the situation ekhona all they care about is that it makes enough money so that the situation apply
ingasa-apply
ukuthi apply kwabanye not kuye mangenza enough money kule nhlekele lenzeka yayo ingabhekani naye ibheka abanye akusiwa ukuthi address le problem jo abantu othoba kule pirates khona manje ngaPirates bedlala eAfrica ne-Sundowns
ibhola uyifuni nekhehla
yile libuya ukuthi ingqondo like nginokhala nginopost status ukuthi I don't argue with someone whose TV screen is bigger than his bookshelf. No, Labantu don't even have bookshelf. They've got big screen.
Yeah.
But the bigger your screen, the dumber you are. Mamela ngipinde via. The bigger your TV screen, the dumb who you are. I-TV phela yenza ukutwenza umuntu dumb. I-TV yenza ukwenza umuntu dumb. I-TV yenzelwa ngayo i-purpose of i-TV except ukwenza umuntu dumb. Understand Roger? And so mayinkulu uba dumb kakhulu. Nathi amune screen lomuntu akana bookshelf. Akazifoko. Phela okay lincwadi zabeli uzinamanga nani but you need to learn or read them ubhaqa ukuthi okay la baqamba amanga so la baqamba amanga so uzobhaqela amanga
there's other sacred books like I'm saying ukuthi bastudishile labantu laba Khehla ba designer everything ngoba bastudishile
bafunde kithi
ukuthi siyadubulana kanje is by design you know then the sacred knowledge that they use is information yethu so mangithola udaki uthi no we need to stop reading like usho ukuthini kanjalo ngoba the coding is in there
kahle
the coding is in there
ukuthi uzokwazi ukuhlukanisa amangabo ne wahlukanisa siwafundile
exactly you argue about the Bible ngoba uyifundile mara nayo it's a coded book aribwavara
mawuzo understand ama codes ayo you understand ngoba nali Bible enhlek into efuneka consciousness mawuzo conscious enough you can get the truth out of the lies.
Exactly. So you don't read the book to we cons incwadi to help your cognitive ability.
And so abantu laba umuntu lonakana incwadi akalandelela incwadi into anekhe ngayo ibhola. Unekhe ngebhola.
Uthi ibhola ezathi sikizo le yakho.
Abantu ngebhola. Understand uzothola abantu amadoda ayingakho amadoda ayi 95,000 ahleli e-FNB Stadium bangumsindo ngebhola nje nathi into nayo ke ibhema amadra ngempirates ngayeka ngiyeke iphela ngayeka nje ngesikhathi bocoach ucroll ucroll athatha ama triplets bosokumele simove siye eAfrica sithatha i-Stars 2
And I like how you guys little we and see, you know.
Yeah, usifaka ngokuseyiphathi ya. Wow.
Sure.
Ngoba ngithi singizibize iPirates. Into abayilo bayifunayo ungasabi ube iPirates. Umele affiliate kulamanga. What must bafaka uRochadisa igame yakhona final game Abu Trika wayedla eEgypt wayedla last game yakhe. No Penny Market wayedla last game yakhe. Penny Market that time uni UEFA Cup uni unamakhambi nje ahlankile for uBhini ushoda nje ngestar sase-Africa lesilimo shoda sasifaka uBhini
And we'll continue on part 2 of this conversation, unhinged, mechanical, random conversations with Nkulum Laba. Thank you so much for watching, and that gets the concentration.